Hey, how's it going, guys? Today we're going to do an unboxing of the Glock 19 Gen 5 MOS. Here we have the box that it comes in. When you open it up, you'll find the MOS plates that you can mount a red dot on. Here we have the gun itself. Let's do a safety check. Not loaded. On the Gen 5 MOS, you'll find that it has the plate cover on it. You'll have to take these out in order to install the MOS plates and put your red dot on. It has a 1913 spec rail up here for a weapon light, front serrations, rear serrations, and it comes with the standard polymer sights. It has the RTF texture, no finger grooves, and it has the option for the back strap. It is a 2-pin design, one here and one there. It has a pretty large magazine release button. The magazine well is flared. The trigger on them is pretty nice. Here we have the take up, hit that wall, and a pretty smooth break. Reset. Very audible, very tactile. In order to disassemble, you'll have to pull the trigger. Pull back on the slide just a little bit. Pull down on your tabs here on either side. Let go of the slide. To put it back together, you'll want to put the back rail in first like that, and then the front rail will go in place just like that. Feels nice in the hand. The serrations are really nice. It has a 4-inch barrel, I believe. In the rest of the box, you'll get this magazine loader and 2 extra magazines, so there's 3 magazines total. Orange followers on the Gen 5s. Here we have the options of the backstrap system. Right there, you can take that pin out, and it'll fit the backstrap system. On the pin that's already in there, it's a smaller one that won't work, so you'll have to use that pin right there. It has a Glock tool right here as well. Here we have the cleaning brush, nylon, cleaning rod up here, polymer. We have a lock that comes with the gun as well. And what looks like a manual. Overall, a really good gun, guys. I already have one of these, Glock 19 Gen 5 MOSs. I have a review on that right now. If you want to check it out, I'll put a link to the video. This is my buddy's gun. So, super nice. Alright, guys, if you like the video, consider subscribing, like, comment, and share the video. Thanks.